Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the system. Enable 32-bit support and update packages so installers can run. Install your package manager tools and pick a runtime, Wine for lightweight apps, or a VM for full compatibility. Once done, allocate 20 GB and at least 8 GB RAM to the VM or plan a separate Wine prefix. Make sure secure boot settings won't block drivers, and create a restore snapshot so you can roll back if the first attempt fails. Now install Wine from the official repo, then create a dedicated 32-bit prefix to avoid mixed-arch issues. Run winarch equals win32 and set Wine prefix to an isolated folder. This prevents system-wide conflicts. Use WineCug to set Windows version and graphics options, then run Winatrix to add Cora fonts, vcrun 2019. Net, or other runtime libraries your app requires. Once configured, install the Windows program into that prefix, and finish by launching the app from the configured prefix and observing the terminal output for missing DLLs or permission errors. If graphics stutter, switch drivers, or enable virtual desktop in WineCug. If a stubborn dependency blocks you, try a lightweight VM like VirtualBox with a Windows image. Make sure to export important logs and file paths for diagnostics. If things go wrong, check the Wine log lines mentioning missing DLLs and rerun Winatrix for those components. This single diagnostic step resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.